Hi, I'm Hari Prakash. I work on generative modeling and machine learning. I just completed my master's in data science at UCSD. I generally build neural ODEs, flow matching models. I've also done some particle control dynamics work at UCLA's IPAM. I've published at ICML and I ship AI in diagnostics.
Hi, my name is Pius Padiati. I'm a structural biologist by training. I have over 15 years of experience working with membrane proteins with focus on their structure function relations in various diseases. And I bring very unique skills in GPC, protein coupled receptor drug discovery by working alongside with some of the stalwarts of GPCR science like Chris Polczewski, Professor Vadim Cherso, and then Professor Brian Kobilka, who's a Nobel laureate. A third of the approved drugs in the market are targeting GPCRs. The static docking poses that is normally used in the drug discovery process miss their dynamic nature, and thus, which is a key characteristic of this class of receptor deciding their function. And so, in addition to this, these proteins are extremely difficult to express, and that also is a big bottleneck in the drug discovery process.
So we solved this problem by developing this cutting edge computational method for GPCR targeted therapeutics. And we combine flow matching or physics condition flow matching with action paths to predict ligand specific receptor flexibility. And we do this with unprecedented accuracy. So we outperform state of art benchmarks like Boltz, for example, by front loading the hits, and we check this out on the LIT PCBA beta 2A receptor benchmark. We have also presented this work at MIT MOML, which is a really prestigious conference.
So we will experimentally validate with the wet lab GPCR assays with the help of Professor Vadim Cherasov's lab at USC. And this feedback loop will help the model improve its predictions. From the current screening efforts, we have identified several hits against GPCR metabolic targets and currently validating from them experimentally.
Yeah. So the good news is we were accepted into NVIDIA Inception. We now have some GPU compute where we are actually running a lot of these training scripts on. We also have Curie Bio who approached us to explore our GPCR services. And we would like to join Y Combinator to scale faster, to fund these assays on priority targets, add GPU capacity, and to hire. We also have active talks with Johnson & Johnson for a space at the J Labs. We are MoleculeMind LLC, and we turn GPCR dynamics into actionable drug leads. Thank you.
Thank you.